ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಏನಂತ.
This is the vegetables, this is the fruits, this is the flowers, junk foods, dress. Explain it. Here the children are not going to school at the first day. The mothers are telling them to go to school, and the teacher is taking care of every children that is in the first class, and there is a class. It is first standard class, and it is small. These are the small tables for children to sit here and write there. And here is a garden. You can see here so many flowers. And this is my family. This is grandmother. Her name is Yellava. His name is Karishaka. This is my mother. Her name is Yellava. This is me. My name is Pragati. This is my sister. Her name is Chandana. This is my third sister Priyanka. This is my fourth sister Sakshi. Thank you.
ಹಾಂ
This is a house. This is hut. This is well cow, and this is a field. This is grass.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಲೈಫ್.
It is a city. There are 3 buildings and garden, airport. This is bus. This is car. This is cook. Fry. This is the maintain hygiene. 2 dustbins. This is 1 toilet. This is sanitary and members. Grandfather ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಂದೆ, ಅಜ್ಜ grandmother ಅಂದರೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತಂದೆ, ಮದರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತಾಯಿ, ಬ್ರದರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಥವಾ ತಮ್ಮ, ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಕ್ಕ ಅಥವಾ ತಂಗಿ, ಮೀ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು. My school garden is a very beautiful. My school garden has so many trees This is Coco ground. There are 9 players in Coco ground. 3 extra players. This is volleyball ground. There are 12 members. 3 extra players. One beautiful lake. It is a cow. It is a hand card. It is a forest. It is a Gram Panchayat Gumgol. It is a field. It is a well. It is my beautiful school Gumgol. It is a temple. It is a marriage hall. It is a bank. It is a house.
ಇದೇನು? ಹಾಂ
ಇದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ರೀ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಏನು ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ಸ್ಥಳ.
ಇದು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ ರೀ. ಇದು ವ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಡ್ಸ್ ರೀ. ಇದು ಬಸ್ ರೀ. ಇದು ತರಕಾರಿ ಮಾರೋದ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಕಸದ ಗಾಡಿ ರೀ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಆಜು ಬಾಜು ಇದು ಮನೆ ರೀ. ಈ ಥರ ಶೆಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ ರೀ. ಇದು ಮನೆ ರೀ. ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು. It has so colorful flowers. It is a chair. It is a tree. It is a personal hygiene. This is a we must share personal things to others. This is a soap. We must take a bath every day. This is a comb. We must comb our hair every day. We should brush our teeth. Foods column. This is the cashew. This is the health for our health. This is the almonds. This is grapes. This is the peanuts. This is spit bengal. This is soak peanuts. This is the junk food column.